energy on the plant, that plant will die. Literally. If you just project, don't touch the plant. All just energy. If you project negative energy on the plant, it'll die. But if you project love on the plant, you edify the plant. Damn, plant, you look good today. Man, you growing, you green as hell. You a green ass plant. You love on that plant's gonna rise, it's gonna nurture, it's gonna flourish. So our goal is to love on you all more so we can see y'all flourish. And it's gotta happen overnight. King Chris and I talked about earlier the black community and bridging the wealth gap, building strong things and all that we're gonna do. And for me, I feel passionate about it as men because most of us weren't given the right example of how to be a man in a family. The first men I seen in my family was beating my mom. And the first time I was spending time with my father was on prison visiting room tours. The first time I ever spent a week, that was my stepfather, rest in peace. The first time I spent a week with my biological father, first time I ever spent a week with my real dad in my real life, was me selling him crack and him showing me how to cook up crack when I was 17 years old. So all my examples of what a dad's supposed to be is jacked up. So the only way that I knew how to become a good dad was by doing all the things they didn't do. That was my example. Do the opposite. Now I have 3 daughters, and I'm acting and I'm considering myself a good father, a good dad. But we don't build that overnight. You don't repair the black community in a microwave. You can't oatmeal the black community. Ain't no just add hot water. This thing, we gotta stir this thing up. We gotta whip this thing all the way up. It's gonna take some time.
Yes, sir.
And so I want to commend all of you who've been here every other week. We're here every first and third and fifth Saturday. It's the 5th Saturday we're here. First, third, and fifth Saturday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. for us to build. I'm a very busy man, but I get excited at 9 a.m. when that alarm go off to be here, to be able to build my brothers every other week. And you all too, because not many environments you're going to get loved on like this, get taught, get fed like this, and to be able to rub elbows with other brothers who's trying to get it, all ages, right? So I want to lead us with that. You guys all have a quiz we're gonna, well, not quiz, but assessment we're gonna take, questionnaire. We're gonna teach some things about entrepreneurship today. But before we do that, we like to open the floor again, because kings build kings, kings build other leaders. King Dante, I'm gonna have you on TikTok shooting today, right? So we're gonna catch some little real clips and TikTok clips. They don't gotta even be funny, but whatever we got. And we're gonna King. King, what's his name again? Rudy. King Rudy. Yeah, you're gonna be on my phone camera just today too. We're gonna catch some lessons. So before we do that, no OKs right now. When I say old kings, that's somebody that's 25 and older. Nobody 25 and older right now. Anyone 24 and under, we're going to ask, see, I pick up trash around here. It's my kingdom. My kingdom will look good. So anybody 24 and under, we want to bring you to the front. We'd love for you to just share who you are, hey, why you inspired today, what you inspired about this week. But we want to push you, and I want you to do it, especially if you're feeling uncomfortable. I do this fluidly in front of the rooms, because I've been doing it for so long and so much. But it's very uncomfortable for anybody to get in front of a room. The dope part about it is, if you're a king, and you don't have the ability to address your kingdom, you're not very much of a king. One big attribute about a king is his ability to be able to present, dress, and command the kingdom. So I need a young king. We'll need 3 young kings this morning to come to the front to address, to command, talk life into, or just say your name and whatever you feel, sit your butt down. But we want 3 young kings to push themselves one at a time to the front in preparation for leadership. Not the follower, but the leader. So who's first? Follow your gut, follow your instinct, the voice in your head, get to the front. There you go. Clap it up, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on.